Listen, if you watching this video, do not change it, okay? I'm about to tell you $1 million, more than 1 million. I'm about to give you multi-million dollars worth of game for 15 minutes, okay? Watch this video for 15 minutes. Listen to what I'm about to tell you in this video because it changed my life. And it's a lot of people who I'm putting on game right now, and it's also changing their life, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to your Big Bro Trend. After this video, at the end, I got something very special. Listen, man, listen. I'm gonna tell you this. They won't tell you this. They won't tell you this, okay? But this is the truth. Listen, there's nothing right now in the whole entire world, not even a nuclear missile, that is more powerful than social media, okay? Social media is so damn powerful that it's scary, all right? It is ridiculously scary, okay? And I don't know what type of person you are. You might be the person I'm talking about, the scary person that is afraid of utilizing social media. Listen, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about me if you don't know me, all right? I've always been interested in technology. I've been on social media for about 8 years and I love it because I know how to utilize it for my own good and for my own value, okay? And listen, of all this time I've been on all these applications and stuff like that, like TikTok, Facebook, and stuff like that, Instagram, I've earned so much money that people that actually work hard for money, they couldn't even fathom how easy it is versus what they do for a living. If I'm gonna just tell you this, if you know how to use social media, man, you can get very rich, okay? You can get successful. You can become a celebrity. It's really simple, all right? And I'm about to tell you right now why it's really simple. All the celebrities, every celebrity out on social media, if you follow celebrities like I do and you watch them and you study their social media presence and stuff like that, they all use social media to persuade you, to get you to buy something that is a part of their brand. They use social media to sell their albums now. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody buying records out the record store no more. It's over, all right? Don't nobody give a damn about your music if you don't have no good social media presence, all right? Just take notice. Listen. Just take notice. Anybody out here who don't have no money, who don't have no vision or don't have no purpose or nothing going on with their life, most of the time, the reason why they haven't gotten ahead in life, the reason why you can't get ahead in life is because you do not have a social media presence. And that's the only reason why in 2023, you're not getting the results that you want. In 2023, if you have a business or a brand or whatever type of public figure you are, it's a must. You have to have social media, period. All right. Every company has a social media. I don't give a damn if it's Chili's or Applebee's or Cheesecake Factory. They all have social media to promote their brands. And if you don't know how to use social media, or if you're not utilizing it and taking advantage of it, that's the reason why your business has not got off the ground. It's not because you're not beautiful enough. It's not because you're not putting in the work. It's not because, you've been working hard on your business or whatever. It's nothing to do with that. The reason why your business have not got off the ground is because I guarantee you, your social media presence sucks. That's the only reason why you can't sell houses. That's the only reason why you can't sell your products. It's because you have no social media presence. Simple. All right. If you can admit that right now, then continue to stay till this video is over with, because I'm about to help you out. All right. Listen, once you get social media popping, everybody is rocking with you. Simple. Your music will start selling, your brand, your company start selling products. Once you got your social media presence out there and everybody sees it, they know it, all right? People love to sit back and they love to watch you on social media, whether you think they is or not. People would not even rather call you no more. in 2023. They don't even want to talk to you verbally or no more. They don't even want to let you even know that they know everything about what's going on in your life. Listen, everybody who you think is not watching you or paying attention to you or something like that, trust and believe they watching you on social media. Okay? It ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. They are watching you. You might not think that when you post pictures, you might not think that when you make videos or whatever you do for a living or on social media, you might not think that they're not looking. It might appear that you don't get no likes. Trust and believe me, they see everything you post. But see, the reason why you're not getting the results that you want from these people is because you have social media fright syndrome. That's what you have. You have social media fright syndrome. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what that is about. So we all know that everybody's watching you on social media, right? You know that for a fact. The only thing you got to do now is just get your social media popping. That's it. Everybody who's not supporting you, who's not paying attention to you, once you get your social media, whether it's TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Discord, Spotify for your music, once you get your stuff popping to where your numbers look really good on social media, everybody's going to pay attention to you. They can't deny it. Okay? We live in a funny society, right? People could care less about who you are anymore. All right. They let you know they don't want to support your brand. They try not to like your pictures and they try to act like they're not looking. We live in a society where it's more all about a facade. All right. So what I'm saying is once you get your social media numbers up, like your music plays up, once you get your likes up, once you get your comments up and your followings on TikTok, once you get this stuff up, everybody's on it. They looking at you, bro. They buying your products. They all trying to figure out how can I get next to you? Because just because your social media it looks good. All right. Listen, think about this. If you don't believe me, think about this. On your Facebook, if you have Facebook, on your Instagram or something like that, right? Do you care about all the people that follow you? Ask yourself, do you care? No, you don't care. The only thing you care about is how many people actually following you. Nobody goes through all of their followers and be like, oh, they're following me. My mom is following me. Tommy's following me. Heather's following me. Nobody does that. We could care less about how many people liked your pictures. Like, I mean, if you got the time to sit and see all the people who actually like your pictures and you got like 500 likes, you have no life. You have no life. And I know some of you women out there probably do that because some of y'all are just nosy. All right. But listen, you don't have to do that once you have a great social media presence. Celebrities do not go through their comments looking at everybody's comments. It's just too many. They don't go through their following list and see who's actually following them. It's just too many people because their social media is popping. It's popping. You know what I mean? And you women out there, I mean, I'm not trying to fault you for this or don't take offense to what I'm saying, but I see so many women's pages on Instagram or whatever are private. And most of the time I ask some of these chicks, I hit them up and I say, hey, why is your social media page private? I can't even see your pictures. And they're like, oh, well, there's somebody stalking me. I have these creeps following me. They're lurking on me. They're watching me. And I just don't want to be out there. And I just don't like, well, why are you on social media? And then the funny thing about it is that that's why your business is not popping. That's why nobody cares about you. That's why nobody knows you. That's why you're not selling products. That's why you're not becoming valuable because you're afraid of what everybody thinks about you. Who cares? Listen, let people want to see something. They want to watch something. You can't be scared of social media if you want to become successful. You cannot. You got to use it to your advantage. You know what I mean? Celebrities, Nicki Minaj or whoever you want, Taraji P. Henson or Rick Ross or whoever you name, they don't have their pages private because they think, oh, all these people who I got following me or stalking me and they're making me nervous, man. No, they're using it to their advantage and they're just getting richer and richer and richer. You know what I mean? You cannot have a social media fright syndrome. You can't. And it's like that lyric Kanye said, look at the valedictorian, scared of the future while I hop in a DeLorean. He said it best. So many people are just so afraid of like what the world thinks about them. Listen, if you want to become successful, you got to get to a point where you stop caring what people think and use your damn social media to your advantage to get your bag. Use your social media to your advantage to become popular. Use your social media pages to your advantage to become more successful. It's TikTokers on TikTok making videos that get millions of views and becoming viral overnight. You got a whole bag in the morning when they wake up. Little kids are doing this. You know what I mean? Little kids, little teenagers are getting on TikTok and Instagram and stuff like, and posting the stupidest shit and becoming millionaires because they're not afraid of what people are going to think about them. And me too. I get on here on YouTube every day. I post my videos, and look, I don't even have to work for a soul. You feel me? Instead of selling my soul and doing something for a paycheck, I work for myself. You feel me? Why? Because I know how to use social media to my advantage. My social media pages are popping, and yours can be popping too if you get in contact with me. Okay, I'm a great social media marketer. All right, I have so many people who I've helped just understand the dynamics of how to use this powerful tool to their advantage. And I can tell you this, they are smiling today. They smiling like, oh my God. Because listen, once you get that social media page popping, I don't care if you're a girl, boy, I don't care what you do. Once you got them good numbers, once you got your social media presence up, once your TikTok following is up, you know, once your Facebook following is, you can best believe everybody and their mama is going to want to get close to you. Everybody is going to be watching you. Everybody's going to want to be a part of what you got going on simply because you're undeniable. Simply because your numbers are up. Simply because you have marketing for your social media. You invested into your social media marketing. That's the only reason why. You know what I mean? People, before I had close to like 1 million followers on Instagram, nobody cared about my Instagram. Nobody gave a shit. They were just like, oh, that's just trend, you know, that's the motivational guy. All right, look, now I have so many comments and stuff on my social media page, on my TikTok. I have 10,000 followers and stuff like that. Now everybody's sending me a message. Hey, how you doing? What's up? And then, I haven't changed. The only thing that changed is my social media presence, and yours is gonna change too after this video. Listen, I'm a social media marketing expert, okay? Big Bro Trend. Make sure you subscribe to my video first. But get in contact with me on Instagram, all right? If you don't have an Instagram, get in contact with me on Facebook, okay? I'm going to put all my links at the very bottom in the comment section. And please beware, folks. There's some people out there scamming, using my name, trying to act like me. Trust me, listen, if you don't see a whole lot of followers or whatever, you know, when attached to my name, it's not me. If you don't see check mark, it's not me. Okay, get in contact with me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram link at the very bottom. If whatever you want to do, if you do music, if you cook, if you got products, it doesn't matter. Once your social media page is your presence is popping, bro, everything that you ever wanted to happen for your business, your brand, or whatever you're trying to do, man, it will start to happen for you. Just because social media gives you the perception that you are already good and everybody's gonna follow you. It's that simple. Social media marketing, man. Get your page off private and get some money. Okay? Stop blocking people. Let these haters watch. You feel me? They gonna figure out a way to create another page anyway to still look at you. Why is you blocking them? Give them something to watch. Give them something to entertain them. Give them something to hate on. Because I'm telling you, the more they hate, the more you gonna get more money. The more they talk, the more paid you're gonna be. The more your name is in somebody else's mouth, the more your numbers is gonna increase. That's what you want them to do. That's what you want. You want people to see all your good moments. You want people to see your bad moments. You want people to see you skateboarding. You want people to see you eating a sandwich in your kitchen. You want people to see you at the store shopping at the mall. Why? because that's what they want to see. And listen, the more you're able to do this, and I'm going to help you once you get in contact with me, the more you're able to do this, the more you're just going to see your business, everything just going to take off, because your social media presence is just giving people the chance to look at you and to see how fascinating you are and how great you are and how much your brand is really worth. Get in contact with your big bro Trend, man. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Press the subscribe button. Get in contact with me and hit one of the links in the comment section at the top below, and I'm gonna hook you up again. This is not free, but it's not expensive. Okay. This is nothing free. Don't contact me for a handout, because I'm not giving you anything for a handout. If you can invest into yourself like I did and a lot of other people who did this that I'm telling you about, then you are worth a bag. Okay, you are worth becoming successful, because you can take a risk and say, oh, you know what, I'm worth it. I'm gonna get this, what my big brother Trend told me about, and I'm gonna set back and I'm gonna grow myself and I'm gonna market myself. All right. So if you're a motivational speaker like me, if you're a singer, cook, artist, model, whatever you do, you need to get in contact with me, especially if your social media ain't popping. That's the reason why you ain't got the way you want to go, is because your social media is shitty, period. I'm going to help you fix that, though. It's your big bro Trend, man. Listen, they won't tell you this, but I'm glad that you know now. $1 million worth of game, man, for 16 minutes. I told you. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.